Now, in this lecture, we are going to download Metasploitable 2. So the Metasploitable 2 virtual machine is an intentionally vulnerable version of Ubuntu Linux designed for testing security tools and demonstrating common vulnerabilities. And the version 2 of this particular virtual machine is available for download and ships with more vulnerabilities than the original image. Now let's see how we can download Metasploitable 2 inside our Windows operating system. So what you need to do is you need to simply open your web browser, and inside the search bar what you need to type is Metasploitable 2. So when you hit enter, you will find these kinds of links, which is from SourceForge. So when you click on this particular first link, which is Metasploitable, browse Metasploitable 2 at sourceforge.net. So when you click on this particular link, it will open the downloading page for you. So in this downloading file, there is two files, which is Metasploitable Linux zip, and the next one is readme.txt. So when you click on this green tab, it will start downloading your Metasploitable 2. So it will take some time because it is around 800 MB file. So as you can see that we have this file. So this is a zip version of this particular file. When you click on this OK button, it will start downloading. So this is how you can download Metasploitable 2.